Staying with the quadratic graphs theme, we got x squared minus 5. The domain now is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the range of this function given this domain? Well, the answer is easy. We're going to write it down as curly bracket, because this is a one-to-one mapping. So 0 will have 0 squared minus 5 is going to be corresponding value of -5. And same here, we're going to plug it into the expression, plug in 1. That will give us -4. Now for 2, it's going to give us -1. For 3, it's going to give us 4. And finally, for 4, it's going to give us 9. And you close the curly bracket. So that's your range. So that's our range. It goes from 0, -5. That's a 0. And up to 4, 9. Could plug it somewhere here. 4, 9. We'll do it after we sketch the graph. It's better that way. Now we need to work out the intercept, which is this one here. To work out the x-intercept with the root, you just make y equals 0 and solve it, and that will give you x equal √5. So this is the point where the curve crosses the x-axis, √5. All right, so let's do it. It goes something like this. I'm going to bring it down a little bit like this. This is the range up to 9, from -5 to 9. And that is the x coordinate for this value here. That is 4. So it's very important that to restrict your graph to this value for the domain and the range. You cannot extend it beyond this values, right? And the range is this one here, and that's the curve, and that's how you answer this question. All right, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.